My dear people, I like to tell you about the truth. You may know heard about truth, but that is not the real truth that you learned. You are using always mind. So mind never gives the real meaning. So today my topic about truth, wisdom and enlightenment awaken. So you may heard before in any time in your life, but you are exactly not clearly understand. There is a reason behind this that you don't understand this. You just know that we have so many infrastructure development, so many technical development are happened after independence. But what is the situation about the justice, law and justice, pain and worries, noise and imperfect? This are all present. After this, if you are telling that we are developed, that means there is no meaning at all. If you attain knowledge, if there is justice in the world, if there is no pain, calm, perfect, then we can say that we are developed. Without this, if we are telling that this is we are developed, that means you are purely an ignorant. And furthermore, you accepted to be an ignorant. This is wonder. You should have to realize why we are doing this. Do you think ever? You may be a Christian, you may be a Hindu, you may be a Muhammad, you may be Jain, Buddhism. But if you are not attain knowledge, that means you lose the meaningless life. Do you realize any time in your life? And you will never. Whenever people attain knowledge, they are trying to say this to you, the people, and people are interestingly hearing this, but exactly they misunderstand their own way. You have your own opinion. Each and everyone has own opinion. This is why, because you are using mind. In truth, there should not be a difference of opinion. It should be single point acceptance. Sun is hot. There should not be any difference of opinion, because that is truth. Same way, truth is the truth. There should not be any difference of opinion. Like this, you are doing n number of things. You are considered as an ignorance. Why? Why? Because you are always being in the noisy, a pain and worryful and injustice world, and you accepted all these things. That is the reason you are called as an ignorance. All these things you are doing, but you are not realized. In other people like Mahavira, Ramana Maharishi, Buddha, all they realized the things and they didn't accepted those things in the world and get away from this earth. You have to know one thing: mind is in the earth, body is in the earth, but you are in the earth or not? Absolutely not. But you feel that you are always in the earth. This is why, because your conditional mindset. You are in the universe. You belongs to the universe, but you assuming to be a part of mind and being as a mind and living with this. That is why you feel that you are in the earth, but the truth is you are not in the earth. So you belongs to universe. That means a prime minister of a country was working in the servant house as a servant. How it will be? This is what exactly you are doing. You didn't never realized. That is why you are not self realized. That is why you are sleeping person, not an awakened person. Buddha, Mahavira, those all are awakened. That means what? They are all realized they belongs to universe. They realized they are belongs to universe. See, everyone want to become a king. King is a thing about thing. Is an about mind. See, that is when he realized Buddha, he gave away from the kingdom. He realized that if you are an universal belonging to universe, this part of ruler is meaningless, because he belongs to the whole huge universe. The small administrative has not at all any meaning in this. By the way, he get away from the kingdom. Do you realize this anytime? You are always suffering. You are always having injustice. You are always being imperfect. Do you ever to be have those things in your life? Never. Universe has given an option to you, but that is a problem. You take the option that 24 whole life's worries is an option and whole life of happiness is an option, but you exactly choosing the wrong one always, and this was following by each and every people. You never think about that. That is why you called as an ignorant. Being an doctor, being an engineer, being an chief minister, or any scientist or not at all is all are meaningless if you are not realized. If you are suffering, if if you are suffering a single minute in your life, that means you are lost your life. That will not consider as a happy life or successful life. You never known these simple things. Knowing wise is an very simple phenomena. It can be take 5 minutes of time, but you never understand, you never realized. But on the other hand, so many complex infrastructures, rocket science, all this are all you are discovered, but you are not unable to realize these simple 5 minute simple statement. Do you ever think why? Do you think ever? It was never. Why? I feel you one day you have to. My concern is you have to feel this any day of your life. But I know what will happen. You are belongs to universe, and mind belongs to the earth, but you are working as a servant to the mind. This is how it is. That means a king as serving as a servant to the his own servant. It is looking ugly. You belongs to universe. Do you ever think? So people are doing meditation. That means they are all not keeping away from the mind. So by this way they feel happy and relaxed. From this we understand that just part of time away from mind makes you happy and relaxation. If your whole life if you are be in this way, you will be happy in your whole eternal life. Do you ever understand realize these whole things in your life? It is not. Whenever a person like Mahavira, Buddha are trying to say, when they have the opportunity, you exactly misunderstand all these things. This is why, because you are using your mind and getting some understanding, but you are missing the core point. So they are taught as thousands of years back, but till you are doing the same. You may be in Christianity, you may be an Hindu, you may be a Muslim, but being all this, if you are not an wise, then all this become meaningless. Do you ever realize this? Do you ever think to be a wise? Do you think ever to be an enlightenment in your life? If not, how will it possible to attain? It is impossible to have this. I am telling, by the way, you are listening by your mind. So you will never get the conclusion, because mind will not allow you to know the truth. It always using mind means it's keeping away from the truth. In your whole life you will never understand, and your coming generation people also will never understand, and this will continue for thousands of years. A person falling from height of the mountain, and then he is suffering. The other person seeing those things and doing the same, and he gets suffering. By this way everyone all are doing this. They thought that this is what life. They never think that out of this action, the mind make them to do these things and saying this is life. This is absolutely idiotic. I wish everyone to be wise. Whatever you will do, universe will accept. It's no problem to it. But ultimately you will get, the universe will get happy when you get away from the mind. If there is no mind in the world, there will be no problem in the world. So mind is the reason for all this problem. But you are asking solution to the mind, but you will never get the real true solution. This has to be understood. That is what universe trying to say to you whenever the time opportunity there. That's it.